People should choose the law office of Bryan Fagan because of who we are. We are attorneys, but most importantly, we love each other. Well, I decided to be an attorney when I was about 12, and that's because I saw a whole lot of stuff happening within my family that I believe, you know what, if we had an attorney, this would not happen. I saw my aunt struggling in her marriage and how she got disenfranchised and totally robbed of what was rightfully hers, but because we didn't have the attorney, because we didn't have access to proper legal counsel, she lost, and she lost big. I graduated law school during a time of America's economic struggles that attorneys do not want to be graduating through. And so when I graduated, jobs were scarce and I had to be jack of all trades. And I started out in the Woodlands in a estate planning firm. They did mostly probate. Then I went into litigation tax consultations, and then I went into civil practice. And as civil practice, I dealt with a lot of real estate law, a lot of investors, and that incorporated estate planning, probate issues, and guardianship issues, believe it or not, because property is being left to children, and then those children are trying to sell, and then you have contests and all that. So for the last 14 years, I've been totally immersed into estate planning, guardianships, real estate law, and that's how I'm here. I love the law, and I especially love American law. And you can hear by my accent that I've been in different countries, I've lived in other countries, and so I've been privy to how the law works and how fortunate we are as Americans and how fortunate I am as an American attorney to practice in this great country. And I hate to be, in fact, I don't care if I come off overly patriotic, but I just love this area of law. I love estate planning, because within estate planning, you get to touch people when they're alive, and then you get to effectuate and affect generations beyond them. No actual area of law can really speak to that, but with estate planning, I can help you now with your family. I can help to make your life better now, and then I can help you ensure that your loved ones, your children, I can help to ensure that their lives will be better for generations to come. That is fantastic. I'm not saying I'm an empath, I'm not saying that, but when my clients come to me, I take their problems on. Their problems are my problems. And therefore, when I'm counseling them, I'm thinking about what's best and the best way that I can bring the correct and the right and the just circumstances to bear. And that's my approach. My approach is I'm going to do for you what I would want you to do for me. People should choose the law office of Bryan Fagan because of who we are. We are attorneys, but most importantly, we love each other. I'm not just saying that loosely. People care about each other here. The attorneys care about what's going on with each other. The paralegals care what's going on with the attorneys. We love each other, and you can feel it in the camaraderie and how we treat each other. When you're choosing a law firm, you want someone who recognizes first that people are people, and they treat people as if they're not just a name on a page or some number. You're actually someone, you're a unique individual, you come with unique needs, and you have issues that you need handled in a caring way, in an efficient way, and in the best way possible, because you need to be treated as special and unique as you are.